how to disable email, comments, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email, comments, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and here you will find library. Click on it and then click in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Now click notifications and scroll down. Here you will find comments on your post notifications, and if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see, comments on your post notifications have been turned off. Now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.